I am going to next one. Listen, in this one, what is given? The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66, and also if the digits of the number differ by 2, and also find the number, how many such numbers are there, how many such numbers are there. Here first I have to take, let the units place will be x, and the tenth place will be y respectively. You'll observe, let the units place will be x and the tenth place will be y respectively. Here first I have to take the number. That means the number is here we will observe in this one. Here tenth place must be x, unit place must be x. After that, 10th place will be y means. That means 10th place will take y means 10 into y plus after that units place will be units place that we have to take 1. After that, here the units place value is 1 that we have to take 10y plus 1 into x that becomes 10y plus x. Here and also find the problem on reversing the digits, then the number is reversing the number will change units place that will take 10th place. After that 10th place will take the units place that becomes x and y will become interchange that we have to written as 10x plus y respectively. Here we will observe in this one, units place will take x. After that, the 10th place will take y. Then the given number is 10y plus x. Okay, on reversing the digits, then the number is 10x plus y. What is given in this statement? The sum of two-digit number. This is a two-digit number, and also this is also two-digit number. Why? Because of here 1st place and 10th place are follows. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. That means here the first given number is 10y plus x. Here by using the given one is the sum of two-digit number and also digits. We have to take 10x plus y will become the value is 66. That means 10y plus y that become 11y. X plus 10x is equal to 11x. 11x plus 11y that will become 66. Where 11 is common, then x plus y is equal to 66. 11 ones, 11 6. That becomes x plus y is equal to 6. This is make equation number 1. And also given one more step. If the digits of the number differ by 2 means if you take their units place can be subtracted by 10th place, their difference is must be take x minus y is equal to equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, then that implies where 1 becomes x plus y will become 6. After that x minus y will become 2. That means plus y and minus y will be cancelled. Remaining is 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. We know that x value, x is equal to 4, substitute in equation 2. X is equal to 4 in equation 2. Then that implies 4 minus y will become 2. After that 4 minus 2 is equal to y, where y is equal to 2. This is the values of x and y. We have to find the number. How many such numbers are there means we have to find out the number and also the reversing digits also find out the number. First, the number is equal to 10y plus x will take 10 into where y become 2. After that x become 4. That means 20 plus 4 that will become 24. That means the reversing number is equal to, that is the formula will become the reversing number that will take the formula 10x plus y will take 10x plus y. 10 into where whatever the value of x will become 4 plus y become 2. That is equal to 10 into 4 40. 40 plus 2 will become 42. Here we will observe in these two numbers. We'll take the number 24. The reversing number will become 42. We'll take the number is 23. The reversing the number is 32. Here actually the number is 24. The reversing digits of the number will become 42. That we have to write. That is the numbers are. That is the numbers are. That is the numbers are 24 and 42. 24 and 42. Now I am going to next problem. Now I am going to third problem. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles. Find the angles. This is most important for 4 marks. What is given in this one? The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angle. Here first we have to take let the larger complementary larger complementary angle that will take complementary or supplementary given? Supplementary. In this given one is supplementary. The larger supplementary angle is x degrees will take. After that, let the smaller supplementary angle is y degree will take. That means, what is the given problem when asking? The larger two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, that will take. The larger means that will take x. The larger supplementary angle exceeds the smaller, that means x minus y will become 18 degrees. And also, once again I will explain this one. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, that I will take. Larger means we have to take x. Okay, and also smaller supplementary angle will take y. Exceeds means by using the symbol minus, that becomes x minus y will become 18 degrees. And also we know that two conditions. The sum of two angles will become, that means angle A plus angle B, that is equal to 90 degrees, means when these angles are complementary angles, and also angle A plus angle be 180 degrees. Then supplementary angles will take. Will observe the sum of two angles are supplementary means that will take x plus y will become 180 degrees. This is make equation number 1. This is make equation number 2. After that, solving 1 and 2, then that implies where 1 is x minus y will become 18 degrees. After that, x plus y will become 180 degrees will take. Here minus y and plus y will become cancel. That is 2x is equal to 180 plus 18. That become 891. 198 will take. That means 2 ones, 2 nines 18. Again 2 nines 18. That is x is equal to 99 degrees. X is equal to 99 degrees. We have to substitute in equation number 2. That is x is equal to 99 degrees in equation 2. Then that implies x plus y will become 180 degrees. After that, 99 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees, as well as y is equal to 180 degrees minus 99. That means 180 minus 99, that will become 17 minus 9, that will become 80. That means y is equal to 81 degrees. Y is equal to 81 degrees. We'll observe once again. 99 plus 81 become 10, 1. That is 180. These two angles are supplementary angles. అమౌంట్ నా దాంట్లో నుంచి పే చేస్తారా? That means the given angles are, find the given angles means the angles are 99 degrees and 81 degrees. This is asked in this given problem. Okay, students, now I am going to next one. The larger of two complementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles. This is the next problem in this type. I will take, here also given statement is, the larger of two complementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees means that I will take x minus y will become 18 degrees. After that, given two angles are complementary means that I will take x plus y will become 90 degrees. That means where x plus y will become 90 degrees. After that, 2x is equal to 108 degrees, x is equal to 54 degrees, 2 ones 254. That is, x is equal to 54 degrees in equation 2. Then that implies, what about the equation 2? X plus y will become 90 degrees. After that, 54 plus y will become 90 degrees, where y is equal to 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. That is, y is equal to, this will become that side, 10 minus 4 becomes 6, 8 minus 8, that is y degree, that will take 36 degrees. We know that the y and x values, that is, the angles are 54 degrees and 36 degrees. We'll observe the sum of two angles 54 plus 36, that must be equal to 90. These two problems most important for 2 marks. These two problems most important for 2 marks. I will explain next one. Same as well as fourth one will be homework. I will explain fifth one. A fraction becomes 4 by 5. What is given in this problem? A fraction becomes 4 by 5. A fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. Here 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, then the given fraction will become 4 by 5. After that, another statement also given. 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. 5 can be subtracted from both numerator and denominator if the fraction is 1 by 2. What is the fraction? Here first we have to take, let the numerator of a fraction, let the numerator of a fraction be x. After we'll take, let the denominator of a fraction be y. What is the first statement given? 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. A fraction becomes 4 by 5. I will write that one. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, then a fraction becomes 4 by 5. We'll observe. Here, numerator will take x, denominator will take y. 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. Numerator will take x. 1 is added to numerator means that will take x plus 1 by. Denominator also added 1, that will become y plus 1, that is 4 by 5. By using the cross multiplication, 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 into y plus 1. After that, 5x plus 5 will become 4y plus 4. That is 5x minus 4y plus 5 minus 4 will become 0. 5x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is my equation number 1. What is that second condition given? If 5 is subtracted, 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, then a fraction becomes what is their fraction? Become 1 by 2. That will take numerator can be subtracted by 5. That will take x minus 5 by denominator also will sub by 5 means that will take y minus 5, that is equal to 1 by 2. By using the cross multiplication, 2 into x minus 5 is equal to y minus 5. After that, 2x minus 10 will become y minus 5. That means 2x minus y minus 10 plus 5 becomes 0. After that, 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is make equation number 2. We'll observe in this one. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Then that implies here one is 5x minus 4y plus 1 becomes 0. Second one is 2x minus y minus 5 will become 0. Here we will observe in this y coefficient that the y coefficient value is 4, that the y coefficient value is 1. That means equation 2 can multiplied by 4. First we have to write equation 1 becomes 5x minus 4y plus 1 becomes 0. After that, equation 2 can multiplied by 4, then that implies 2 fourths 8, 8x minus 4 into y, that will become 4y minus 5 fourths 20, that will be equal to 0. We have to take the symbol minus, after that plus, after that also plus will take, minus 4y and plus 4y will become cancel, minus 3x plus 21 will become 0, minus 3x is equal to minus 21, minus and minus cancel, 3 ones, 3 sevens, that is x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 can substitute in equation 1, then y value x is equal to 7 in equation 1, then that implies 5 into 7 minus 4y plus 1 becomes 0. 5 sevens 35. 35 plus 1 becomes 36. Minus 4y plus 1 becomes 0. Minus 4y will become minus 36. Minus and minus will be cancelled. 4 ones, 4 nines. That is the value. Y is equal to 9. We know that their x and y values given fraction is, that is, the fraction is x by y, that is where x is 7, y becomes 9. This we have to find out in this problem. Understand this one? Now I am going to next problem. Here first I have to take, let the distances between, first I have to take, let the distances between the places A and B is 100 kilometer per hour. We'll take this one. We'll observe. Here first I have to take here the car. This is the path. We'll take this is A. This will become B. What is given in this problem? Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. This will take the total distance is 100 kilometers. One car starts from A, one car starts from A. This is total 100 kilometers distance. This is also total 100 kilometers distance. One car starts from A. at the same time at different speeds. Once again, I will explain this one. Places A and B are 100 kilometer apart. Highway లో 100 kilometers వెళ్తుండే రోడ్డు తీసుకున్నాను that I will take. Then the distances between the places A and B is 100 kilometers per hour. That I will take. This is the path. Both distance is 100 kilometers per hour will take. One car starts from A, one car starts from A, and another car starts from B at the same time at different speeds. Same time lo bayinderayana, but we have to take the different speeds. Now, so what is given? If the cars travel in the same direction, if the car travel in the same direction, they will meet in 5 hours. They will meet in 5 hours. And also, if they travel towards each other, they will meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? There is no speed of two cars. First, we have to take that the speed of first car, that the speed of A x kilometer per hour. After that, let the speed of second car is equal to 5 kilometers per hour will take. Listen. First, if the cars travel in the same direction, they will meet in 5 hours. Same direction means that will take the total speed of the total length of places A and B 100 kilometers per highway. That means the total distance of highway is 100 kilometers. With the two cars in the same lane, that will take the speed of the two cars will be negative direction. That will take 100 by x minus by they will meet at the 5 hours. That means 100 by x minus by will take 5. So observe by 1 by 20. That will take 20 is equal to x minus 5. After that, x minus 5 will take 20. This is my equation number 1. Observe this one. If they travel towards each other, opposite direction, they will meet in 100 by x plus by will become 1 hour will take. After that, x plus y is equal to 100. This is my equation number 2. Observe. Solving 1 and 2 will become solving 1 and 2, and that implies what about the value of equation 20? X minus y that will become 20. After that, x plus y will become 100. So observe in these two equations, here minus y and plus y will become cancelled. And 2x will become 120. That is x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60. We have to substitute in equation 1 and 2. X is equal to substitute 60 in equation 2. What is the equation 2 will become 60 plus y that will become 100. Where y is equal to 100 minus 60 that will become y is equal to 40. What is find out in this problem? At the speed of a first car and at the speed of a. Here first we have to take speed of a first car will take 6 kilometers per hour. Means the speed of a first car is equal to x kilometer per hour. That means where x is a 60, we have to written as 60 kilometer per hour. After that, the speed of a second car, the speed of a second car that I will take 5 kilometer per hour. Y is a 40 means 40 kilometer per hour. This is asked in this given problem. So I am going to next one. This is most important performance. Two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than 5 is the measure of 5 is the measure of the smaller one. The smaller angle. Find the measure of each angle. Here, what is given in this problem? Two angles are complementary. Given that two angles are complementary. Two angles are complementary means their sum. That means one angle is will take x. After that, the another angle will take y. First, we have to write. Let the smaller angle will take x degrees. After will take let the larger angle take 5 degrees. Larger angle will take 5 degrees. But what is given in this problem? Given that two angles are complementary. When the two angles are complementary means their sum is must be equal to 90 degrees. Supplementary means that will be equal to 180 degrees. Complementary means that will be equal to 90 degrees. Take equation number 1. After that, the another condition also will be given. What is the other condition? The larger angle is 3 degrees less than 5 is the measure of the smaller angle. will observe the larger angle is 3 less than 5 the measure of our angle. First we have to take the larger angle, which means larger angle will take y is equal to 3 less than means that will take minus 3. Find the measure of smaller angle. Smaller angle will take x. 5 means we have to take 3. That means 2x minus 3 I will take. How to take this one? I have to written as 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. Like equation number plus x becomes this side, plus will become minus, minus becomes this side, minus become plus. This is make equation number 1. This is make equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2 we get solving 1 and 2, then that implies where 1 is x plus y will become 90 degrees. After that 2x minus y will become 3. That means plus y and minus y will be cancelled. That is 3x is equal to 90 degrees. The answer is equal to 31 degrees. X is equal to 31 degrees. I have to substitute in equation 1. That means x is equal to 31 degrees in equation 1. Then that implies where 1 is x plus y, that will become 90. Where x is 31, that means 31 plus y will become 90. Where y is equal to 90 minus 31, that means y is equal to 59. 59. That is the two angles are x is equal to 31 degrees, y is equal to 59 degrees. How to find out in this one? What is asked in this problem? Find the measure of each angle. Find the measure of each angle means we have to find out the smaller angle and the bigger angle. That means the smaller angle, is equal to x degrees, where x will become 31 degrees. After that, the larger angle, is equal to 5 degrees, where y will become 59 degrees. This is also in this given problem. I am going to next problem. Listen in this one. What is given in this problem? An algebra textbook has a total of 1382 pages. 1382 pages. If it is broken up into two parts, this textbook can be divided into two parts. Here, one another statement also given. The second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. How many pages are there in each part of the book? First, we have to take that the number of pages in a first part. That will take it. Why? Because of in this given algebraic textbook can be divided into two parts. One is the first part is first part. After that, the second one is second part. First part will take X. After that, let the number of pages in a second part that will take by the problem if the first statement is an algebraic textbook has a total of 132 pages. That means the sum of first part and the second part will be 132 pages that I will write. An algebraic textbook has a total of 1382 pages. An algebraic textbook has a total of 182 pages, means that is a part of first part and the second part. It will take x plus y will become 182 pages. Making page number 1. And also given the another statement is the second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. Yeah, the second part of the book will take y is equal to 64 pages more than the first part. 64 pages more than the first part will take 64 pages. First part will take x. Then that implies plus x becomes plus y minus x plus y becomes 64. This is my equation number 2. So we'll observe in this one solving 1 and 2, then that implies where 1 becomes x plus y is equal to 1382. After that 2 is minus x plus y will become by using plus x and minus x to cancel. Y plus y becomes 2y is equal to 6. 8 plus 6 become 14. After that 4 6, that is y is equal to 2 sevens 14. After that 2 plus 4 3, that is the value is 723. Where y is equal to 723 as put in equation 1 or 2. Y is equal to 723 in equation 1, and that implies x plus 723 will become 1382. After that, x is equal to 1382 minus 32. Have to subtract in this one. 12 minus 3, that becomes 9. 12 minus 3, that becomes 9. After that, 7 minus 2, that becomes 5. 13 minus 7, that becomes 6. That is the value x is equal to 659. 659, that is x is equal to 659. The sum of 659 and 723 will become the total number of the algebraic book is 1382 pages that I will take. We have to take in this 2. That means 9 plus 3 will become 2. After that, 2 plus 5, 7. After that, 8. this is will become 13. The total pages of my given algebraic book has 138 pages. Here, what I have to find out in this problem? How many pages are in each part of your book? First, I will take the number of pages. The number of pages in a first part. First part will take x. And x is a 59 pages. That means the first page of the algebra has is 59 pages. After that, the number of pages in the second part. Second part that I will take y, where y is 723 pages. The sum of first part of A using book and the second part of the algebra of total 138 pages. This is also in a given problem. Okay, students, in exercise 4.2 in seventh one, what is given in seventh one? Two angles are complementary given. We will take supplementary, that is form another problem that will be that we have to cover in your notebook. Okay, students, see you next class.